Hi Julia, we're here on your JaminkFarm.ca/shop, and this is where we're going to be building out your website. I'm making this video tutorial so I can show you how I upload products to your shop, so in the future you know how to do it yourself. So here you can see that I've already uploaded one of your ground beefs. I've tagged it as meats and produce. We've got the price and it's pretty self-explicit. So I'm going to come over to show you in the back end. So by the time you watch this video, I will have shown you how to get into the back end. We're going to load up your dashboard. One way to get to that would be go to JaminkFarm.ca/WP-admin, just like that. And it'll ask you to sign in if you're not already. And once we're signed in, we're going to see this. It's our dashboard, okay? So let's say that there's a new product that you want to offer. So we're going to come over down to here. There's a lot going on, but we're going to go down to products, okay? So in our products, we can see that we only have one. But as of the recording date, this morning you told me about the other products we want to list in there. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to add in our farm gate eggs. So ignore all of these messages to set up your marketing with. We're going to go add new. Okay, so our product's name is farm gate eggs. I don't know if we can just say one word or not there. Farm gate eggs. Those two words. Okay. There's a description there if you want. These come from this species of chicken that our children raise, or something like that. And then right down here again, you're just going to copy that description if you want to. To be honest with you, I don't think that you need a description, but you're welcome to add one. So the important part here is we've got our name. We want to add the image. So we're going to come down here to product image. And your media library will open up, okay? So now this morning you sent me some files. I'm going to go upload files. And let's say there's somewhere on your computer. In this case, you sent them to me. So I'm going to pick eggs. And this is going to upload that picture to my website. One little tip here is that all of these forms right here, just fill in the name of your product plus the name of your farm, Jamink Farm. And the reason for that is that it increases your SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. And that basically just makes it that Google and other people are more likely to find you because you've kind of put these tags in on your website. That make it easier for the robots that crawl search engines to find you. So we're going to set product image. And then the only other thing that we need is the regular price, which is $6.50 as of the date of this recording. And there is an option to add inventory here. So enable stock management. And this is where you could say, okay, I know that it's Sunday and every week I have maybe 10 cartons of eggs. So that makes it that every time somebody buys one, the stock automatically depletes and that you're not going to oversell something you don't have. Just for today's purpose, I'm not going to put that in there just yet though, okay? So over here on the product categories, I'm going to select produce, just alone, and we're going to set publish. So now that's been published. We can click this permalink right here. I'm going to right click, open a new tab. And up here we can see that the product is now live and that people can add more to their cart. Perfect, I've just added farm gate eggs to my cart. And if I reload my shop page, I should see that come up now. And there we go. We've got farm gate eggs and ground beef. That's how you add a product.